Hi everybody, my name's Troy Hawes. Welcome to another edition of My Acoustic Lounge. We've got a great guitar tutorial and cover for you today. The song is called First Kiss. It was written by Kid Rock and Marlon Young. It was the first single off of Kid Rock's 10th studio album of the same name. First Kiss peaked at number 6 on the Billboard Hot Rock Song Charts in January 2015. Let's take a look at the chords and the chord progression to this top 10 hit. Okay, 4 very easy chords for this particular song. Let's have a look at them now. First chord, D. There's an A major chord. I use a G major. And then there's a B minor bar chord. That's it, those 4 chords. Let's look one more time. We have a D, we have an A, a G, and then a B minor bar chord. Those 4 chords, all we need to go all the way through this song. Let's take a few minutes now and look at the chord progression and a little bit of strumming. Okay, the chord progression and a little bit of strumming. Now, even though there are 4 bulk chords, I incorporate an additional 2 chords that are variations of the D. And those chords are a D sus4 and a D sus2. Now, if you're familiar with the D chord and these variations and how they can work together, by all means incorporate them. It really adds something to the song. If you're just beginning and just starting with guitar and you really don't know what all of that is, just stick with the D chord. It's not a big deal. Certainly though, it does add a little something to the song if you can incorporate those particular additional chords. Also, if you actually want to play along with the album itself, use the same chords and the chord progression that we're showing you, and actually put your capo on the 2nd fret, and you can actually play along with the song or the album itself. Kid Rock sings in a little bit higher key. He's got this great kind of bluesy rock distorted voice that I simply cannot match. So I don't use any capo, and I go down a couple of keys just so I can sing it. Anyway, let's go through the chord progression. I will slow it down as best I can for you. There's not a lot of quick chord changes. You should be able to follow along easy enough. Starts on the D chord. Here we go. To the A, and then to the G, back to the D chord. I remember waiting by the school bus. Jenny Clayton was my first crush. Neither one of us had a clue. Oh, Cheyenne, it was my first drum. Rusted rough and kind of beat up. When she jumped in, it felt brand new. Now a little bridge, we're going to jump to the B minor bar chord. Now these days when I drive through a small town, turn my stereo up and I roll my windows down. It reminds me of my first kiss, those days that I always miss. Tom Petty on the radio, going steady with nowhere to go. That's it. That's the chords and the chord progression. A little bit of strumming through the entire song. It's really that easy. Okay, you know the routine here. We're going to mic it up. I'm going to use a great backbeat from my Beatbuddy by Singular Sound. Practice that a few times. Be ready to join me.
I remember waiting by the school bus. Jenny Clayton was my first crush. Neither one of us had a clue. Oh, shot I had, it was my first run. Rusted rough, kind of beat up. When she jumped in, it felt brand new. Now these days when I drive through a small town, turn my stereo up and I roll my windows down, 'cause it reminds me of my first kiss. Those days that I always miss. Tom Petty on the radio, going steady with nowhere to go. No money, just time to spend. No Chevy and a couple of friends. Oh, I wish that I could go back in time just to love you again. I remember drinking from the same cup. We'd break up just to make up. I remember falling in love with you. Smoking cigarettes on the tailgate. Man, it seems like it was yesterday when Main Street felt like Park Avenue. Now these days when I drive through a small town, turn my stereo up and I roll my windows down. It reminds me of my first kiss. Those days that I always miss. Tom Petty on the radio, going steady with nowhere to go. No money, just time to spend. No Chevy and a couple of friends. Oh, I wish that I could go back in time just to love you again. When forever felt like it would never come. And we never thought we'd turn 21. So young we thought this could never end. Oh, I wish I could go back once again.
And there you have it, First Kiss, written by Kid Rock and Marlon Young. It's a great fun song to play. I really like it. Thank you for tuning in to my Acoustic Lounge. My name is Troy Hawes. If you like my videos, please hit the subscribe button. I truly, truly appreciate it. Until the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.